Now, see, domain may first you start entity. Okay. Now you give some name. Demo entity 1. You store, create date, store date. This is for record purpose. Now attributes. First you have to create new. Okay. You can create as a ID, integer. Okay. Name. Now I will create some numeric values here so that how do you create total within this record? Okay, that also. I'll just show you. Amount 1. Okay, then I will say one new category which is attendance. Here I will say enumeration. It is asking, okay, attendance may either present or not present. Okay, that. So it's a new enumeration. Attendance. So it is asking, this is one. Now what is that enumeration? I will give present, absent. Okay. Only two alternatives, present or absent. It cannot be anything else, no? Attendance may. Either he is present or not present. See, automatically attendance made is coming at enumeration, and here one enumeration, attendance enumeration has got created. You can add any time. Okay. Now one more I said total. I will create total of amount 1, amount 2. Okay. That just I want to store calculated microflow new total microflow. Okay. So this is okay. So here total microflow has come. Create variable. Decimal. The total is not coming. 1 minute. The other one is not coming. Member employee ID. One minute. I will come to this 1 minute. Once Oh, sorry. Here 0 because variable, no, you have to give value. See, now all errors have gone.
Yes.
So what it is doing is that here also error has gone. Okay. Now every record, when I'm entering only amount 1, amount 2, total comes automatically. Okay. Like that, any number of amount fields if you have, you can have one horizontal total. And it can be part of your attribute definitions. Similarly, enumeration also can be part of your attribute definition. Like now, for here, if you want to create one more enumeration, like marital status. It will ask for new. Okay. New. Married. Second. Okay. So one more marital status also has come. Attendance. Okay. So I have created domain model. Along with the domain model, I have created one entity. In entity, I have created enumerations as well as one microflow. Okay. So this way now within one entity you can create. Now here I have to create pages for this. For that, after entities are created, no, you don't do any page separately. You say generate overview pages. Okay. Whatever entities are there, it will ask, and you say yes. It will create overview. Yes. Now you see under overview pages folder, you have demo entity ka overview and it is edit. So if I enter this, see, everything has come automatically. We need not see, everything has come. Okay. Yes. Now this is there. Now you go to home. So basically one entity created, its pages are created, enumeration created, one microflow created. So this way you can create microflow. Now I will go to home page, home web. Here you can change the name of this. You can change this also. You know that, no? You can edit caption. You can edit. Okay. Similarly, now this is how you want to see the home web, but you want to create a data file for your whatever entity created. How do you create? You go to navigation, new item, you say entity page. Okay. And here is asking on click what to do. And you can select icons also if you want icons, no, or image.
Hmm.
See, some image you can select. Then what to do when you click on that? You say show a page. What page? Now you have created one page under overview pages. Demo entity overview. See, it has come. Now your app is ready. Now you say run locally.
Yes.
Anushi, Madhavi, you are able to understand?
Yes, sir. We are following it.
Because it's a simple straight and no errors have come. See, when you are creating domain model, that time itself you can create, all these enumeration, trailing, microflow, everything you can do within that.
Yes, sir.
Now we are creating for display purpose, we are creating under navigation, we have created a page, okay, linked with this. Otherwise, no data or no output will come. If you don't create under navigation, no output will come.
Yes,
Everything will be within there. If you want any output to come, you have to go to navigation and so first time it takes because it's a new app, it will take time. And you can edit properties also, that you can do later also. First of all, try to create an app of your own. How did I do? I create an variable, one variable created, then I change the variable with the values from the file entity. So when you are following errors, no, when you double click on error, it will show you where the error and you go and correct it.
Yes, sir.
Under errors. So now zero errors.
Yes.
Sometimes there will be warnings. Now there's one warning, you ignore it. Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
See, here there's one warning.
Yes, sir.
Warnings can be ignored. So today you have learned two things. One is how do you manage security? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Security, how do you include security in your app? That you have learned. And now from freshers, you can start from scratch app. Any app, if you start like this, no, it will be faster and you will do better. I will show you. See, this enumeration is very important when you are developing any questionnaires and all this. You know, Piyush,
Yes.
because for the factory app,
Yes,
no,
no.
diagnosis app, you need this enumeration. Similarly, all this outside, you have any app which particularly whether it's a payroll or a questionnaire or anything, this enumeration is very important. Or if you want like a grades, what I did, if you have 5 grades, you can create as an enumeration rather than creating as a master. Okay. See, this is what we created now. Okay. Do you remember now? We have changed the title heading.
Yes, yeah. Yes, sir, we have changed it.
Ah.
Hmm.
See. So demo entity 1, this is the name we have given. And
New.
because no record is there, I will say new record. Here, employee 1, name, some name, amount. Attendance, present, married.
Hmm.
You can edit then. Okay. And why the total has not come? You know, because in our overview page, total is not there. So you can add a column right and add attribute total. Okay. Because total is arrived at figure, no, it's a compiled figure, it's not a original figure. So total is not there. So you will want to show the total in the system record, you can add the field here. Now I want to adjust all the columns of same size, reset column width. Okay. See total.
Yeah.
100 plus 200, 300. Similarly, if I want to create new record, 2, yes. Present, array, save. See, automatically total will come. Okay.
Yes.
And if you want, you will edit and change. Amount, you will make it to 800. Just so instantly it will change. Like, Dekha?
Yes, sir.
So this way you can create your apps, and if you want to delete, it will ask whether you want to delete or not. Cancel, I don't want to delete. Like search, it will ask ID. See, automatic. Like you can search on any value or anything, marital status, present. These I will remove so that I deleted. both have come because both are present. ठीक है? Name wise also you can. Puneet, even you need not type everything. Only one or two character, one character also. So this is the way system has power. You can do. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Sir, one time again, go to the app and go to the total mutual, total microflow page. I need to see total microflow. Okay.
This is if more than one record is there, it can it will create one after the other, like change variable and the total. It can be first record, it can be without this one. Create decimal, change decimal. Create variable, change variable, and move that variable to the one which you have picked up. That total value, total field. So this is the flow. Here the entity. This is attendance enumeration. I can add, on duty karke one more, like for example, present, absent, but outside, office, on duty.
Offsite.
On duty or outside, like you can create one more, like. And when you compile, the change it will take, and when you're creating similarly grades also, if you have 5 grades, you can create as a 5 grade enumeration table, and it will come. Afterwards, it will become a drop down also automatically once it crosses some 6 limits, 6 variables. So you don't need to do any special programming or anything. While defining the entity itself, you can create. So for that, you need to design your application on a document and enter here rather than thinking that time. You got now the gist and pulse of app.
Yes, sir.
Manisha?
Yeah, sir.
Oh. Nikita? Everything? Nikita? And that is the reason Monday onwards he said, Puneet, everybody will switch on their videos.
Sir, I think Nikita has logged out because he's not in.
Not there? I didn't.
No, sir, he's not there. I'm not.
Nikita is not there.
Yeah, Nikita is not there. Maybe because I'm not.
See, we should open our videos. That is the reason. Here we'll see the output and then we'll disperse. Because I changed that new enumeration, no?
Yes, sir.
Anushi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You could pick up now, no?
Yes, sir. Now I could understand it in a better form.
Okay. I don't think that demo also will give like this, the way I gave now.
Yes, sir.
Now, just I will show you what we edited as a new element. It will come now when you add. See, new may, now attendance may, present, absent, and on duty. New thing also has come, like. Okay. So this is what I thought now I will show you. Now I'll go back to app and close it. ठीक है? I think I will stop sharing. I will stop recording.